Yeah. Hyderabad Central University 2018 entrance examination previous year question paper of MSc Molecular Microbiology. So here we are going to continue our part B. In part B, 25 to 50 questions we are going to solve. So yes, here you can see part B. Okay, let me change the color. I get bored of using this color. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, part B. Which of the following pigment is not a characteristic of chloroplast? So it's a C, anthocyanin. And then next question, when a bacteria are grown on a medium containing S35 as a source of sulfur, S35 gets accumulated in a, so it's a protein. It's accumulated in the, it's accumulated in DNA. It's not the answer, it is the answer A. If you have a doubt, once check out this answer. Then 28, if a normal woman marries an albino man and the offspring are half albino and half normal, the woman is, it's a C, homozygous recessive. So it's a Punnett square. Draw the Punnett square. There is a chances of coming questions from Punnett square. So once try these questions, practice these questions from genetics. Okay. Then next question 29th. One of the following is a characteristic feature of the phylum Porifera. So it's a C, sponge-like body with channel to circulate water. Then 30th question, vernalization is induced by. So it's a low temperature. Answer is A, 3 to 7 degrees. Then 31st, the phloem elements which consist of living cells but non-nucleated. So here the answer is sieve tubes. So you can see these companion cells is nucleated phloem, parenchyma is nucleated phloem, fibers is nucleated. So only the sieve tubes are non-nucleated and it's for transport of carbs. Okay. Then 32, during which geological era did Tyrannosaurus rex live? Okay, so it's something Tyrannosaurus rex live. So every year questions are coming from this era. You'll find in every question paper there is questions regarding this era. So Jurassic dinosaurs belong from that era, and then B, Triassic lizards, turtles, rhinoceros and crocodile belong from those era. Permian synapsids means mammals and sauropsis, birds and reptiles belong to that era. So here the answer is C, crustaceous. Okay, so once check out what belong from which era. Then 33rd, thermophiles have temperature optimum between. So here I am not sure, means when I google this answer, so it's 41 to 128, and in some books it was written 45 to 50 degrees thermophilus are belong from that area. So once check out, and I'm not sure the answer what it is, so once check this. So it's like thermophilus means those from high temperature. Okay, so the answer may have 82 because here the highest temperature is 80 to 90 degrees. Okay, the thermophilus is already belong from high temperature. They used to grow in high temperature, so the answer may be 80 to 90. It's just my prediction. Next, phylloquinone is a chemical compound that contains a ring of 2-methyl-1,4-naphthoquinone and an isoprenoid side chain, and usually produced by green plants, algae and photosynthetic bacteria. Its function as one of the following vitamin. So it's a vitamin K1. Answer is D. Here the answer is D. Okay, 35th question. Which among the following is not related to deficiency or illness of eye? It's ptosis. A. Then Ammonia oxidation to nitrate depends on following two bacteria. So it's a Nitrobacter and Nitrococcus. C. Then water transport from roots to leaves is explained by cohesion tension theory. So there is some theories, once check out those: cohesion tension theory and pressure root theory. So that is molecule model adhesion theory. Okay, 31st MES test is a test that uses, it's a in MES test we use salmonella strains to test chemicals for mutagenicity and potential carcinogenicity. Okay, so you can see means a streptococcus strain to test is pathogenicity on humans, so it's a gram positive. So those like that. Okay, then 39th question, which of the following statement is false? So here A, abscisic acid promotes water loss and related dormancy. It's not that, it's incorrect. Geosmins are present in drinking water. These are present in drinking water, geosmins, and the answer is here B, streptomycetes metabolites that gives characteristic earthy odor of soil. Okay, then okay, the next 41st question, which of the following act as a tag to lysosomal enzyme? It's a B, mannose 6-phosphate. Then 42nd question, to prepare 1 liter of reaction buffer containing 10 pH 7.0 and 0.5 milli this is MgCl2 and 0.01% NaN3. The given stock solution should be mixed in the order of dash and make up the volume to 1 liter. So I don't know this answer. Once you try to do a check how to solve this answer. Okay, then 43, saponification is, it's a hydrolysis of esters under basic condition, okay, to form a alcohol and salts. So here the answer is A, hydrolysis of ester under acidic or basic condition to form alcohol and salts. Example, ethanoic acid react with alcohols. And 44th question, the following is a non-nutritive sweetener. It's a B, glucose. And you know what is nutritive sugar? Sucrose is the highest nutritive, and after that these two are non-nutritive. Sorry, these two are also nutritive but less. Then 45th question, myosin is a protein that converts chemical energy to mechanical energy. Double fertilization result in C, a zygote and an endosperm. Then 47th, which among the following is a cofactor for enzyme hexokinase? So it's a Mg2 plus C. Which is the terminal acceptor of electron in electron transport pathway in mitochondria? So terminal acceptor of electron is O2A. Then identify the water soluble protein given below. So it's a cytochrome C, and it's here the answer is B, it's a small H2O soluble protein. And you know what is coenzyme Q is lipid soluble, remember this. Then 50th, the last question, lactose is made up of, so lactose is made up of glucose and galactose. It's A. So we'll continue our next video with part C, 51 to 75 questions. Okay, so do watch all these questions. So some of them I'm not able to solve because I don't know what is the correct answer, and I don't want to guide you in a wrong way. So if I know, I'll just mark it. If I don't know, so once you check out those answers, because if I'll tell this is the answer, then you will be okay, fine, this is the answer, and if in exam that answer will come, then you'll lose your marks. So I don't want that. So please go through and check once, try to solve that answer which I am not able to solve here. So not all, some of them, like 1 or 2 questions I was little confused, so I don't want to give an answer of those. So once check out all those, not all those, some of them only there are. So here like and subscribe, press the bell icon for the notifications, because I'm going to solve here all 10 years previous year question papers of MSc molecular microbiology we are going to discuss here. And don't miss all those, because if you once check out, then some of marks are in your hands. Don't lose your, even if it's a 5 marks, then it is very important to be qualified in HCU entrance examination. It's not so easy to qualify. Okay, fine, we'll meet in our next video, part C. Thank you.